As a Bitcoin Pro, you keep your Bitcoin wallet and server software current. You manually update all your GitHub repos or distros and applications. But you find that it all takes time. You have to download from different sources, and usually every update you do needs a keyboard. It's your to-do list that you don't love doing. There is a simple, time-saving way to do all of this now with your phone, tablet, or PC. As well, you can update all your Bitcoin node software with one click. myNode has all the applications you need and may already use. Everything is in one user interface, which saves you time while giving you the best control over your Bitcoin lifestyle. You can monitor the Bitcoin network, get direct access to the command line interface, and view your node's Bitcoin peer connections. You can run Electrum server to set up your local or mobile wallets and add Tor privacy to your transactions. See Bitcoin mempool transactions being confirmed, as well as live Bitcoin block generation. View live global transaction rates in vibrant color graphs. See your node's hardware stats like CPU and RAM use, disk writes, and network traffic. myNode has all these features and is always adding more. You can now have secure and simplified control over all your Bitcoin needs, and you can update everything with one click.